The first step I do here is I use the Bilthamber auto wheel, and with that I use the Tough Shine tyre brush recently bought, so this is the first time we're using it. And along that I will be using a microfiber wash mitt, and at last a dedicated wheel detailing brush. And now I'm just going to spray the face of the alloy and change angle to make sure I get every bit of the wheel. Now with the dedicated wheel brush I will be agitating the Bilthamber auto wheel into the alloys to break down all the brake dust and the other dirt and grime that's stuck on it too. Now just a quick rinse with the pressure washer and look at all the dirt that comes off. Now I will be using the Surfex HD to spray onto the tyres and also the face of the alloy. Now I'm going to go in with the Tough Shine tyre brush with a bit of extra Surfex HD on the brush. Now I'm going to scrub the hell out of the tyres. And now the final step is to wipe the face of the alloy with the microfiber wash mitt, just to make sure you don't miss any spots that you did with the auto wheel. Now a final rinse again with the pressure washer. Now onto a car rinsing stage. Now here I've just bought a new snow foam cannon, and this is the first time using it, and you'll see in a minute that I struggle. It's faulty. I don't know if it's the cannon or if it's my pressure washer, but I will be contacting the seller. As you can see, it just starts pulsating, and no matter what I do, no matter what I change, it still does it. Bloody thing. With another detailing brush, I now go around the whole car and the whole trims and slowly agitate every bit of plastic. And now I'm just going to pressure wash all the snow foam off. Now here I have to start speeding up because it begins to spit. With rain, that is. So you will see me looking up, there you go, and yes, I've got to speed up a bit. I have opted to use liquid wax because where it was spitting earlier, the car was still wet, and it makes sense to use liquid wax while the car's a bit wet, and paste wax is no good at this stage. It's a shame really, but you've got to do what you've got to do.